Training Oreo and Kylie Part 2. Come on, Kylie. Kylie, come on. Oreo. Chicken. Baka, baka. Kylie, are you ignoring me? Kylie, do you have a bad attitude? She's biting it. There you go. Come on. Thank you. Come on, Oreo, join us. Come on, Oreo. Oreo, come on. Kylie said come on. Oreo. Come on, Oreo. Yeah, come on. Thank you. Oh my God, I'm a bird trainer. OMG. Hey, if you come out this cage, let me tell you what's going to happen. I am going to pass out. It's getting real. Oh, look, they're showing out now. Come on, boy. Come on. Come join us. Come on, Oreo. Oreo, now. That doesn't work. He doesn't know I'm crazy, right? Come on, Oreo. I need to ask him nicely. Yeah. Oreo, will you please get on the birch? Didn't work. Get on the birch. No, and I mean it. Oreo. Thank you. Hey, hey. Are you guys being disobedient? Get on this birch. Come on, get on the birch. Kylie, you're a good girl. Come on, Kylie. Kylie. Come on, Kylie. Or don't you even think about flying out of here. Don't even think about it. Kylie, come on, babes. Come on. You're not a chicken, Oreo is. Show him you're the man, Kylie. Just kidding. Come on, Oreo. Thank you. Really, chicken? Come on, Kylie. Show him who the man is. No? Okay. Show him who the girl is, Kylie. Thanks. Yay. I think I have a favorite bird. Her name is Kylie. Kylie is the nicest one. Oreo, I don't know if he knows he's a man yet. Oh, sorry, Oreo. I eat those words. Come on, Oreo. He's chicken. Oreo, don't be chicken all your life. Come on. You can do it. Face your fears. Man, you fly out this cage and say come on. You can do it. You have to say go, 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 they don't do ratchet. That's when you start beating like rap, they don't like rap either, like your teacher. Thank you, Kylie. Now watch this. Get it uncomfortable. Come on, Oreo. Join the party, baby. Come on, Oreo. I should have named him Chicken. Chicken Oreo. Man, don't you come out this thing. I'm telling you now. Wow. I am so proud of Kylie. We really have to buy her a treat. Oreo, not so much. Look at my baby. At least go through the hoop, Oreo. Go. 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 Go.
I think I want to do it later.
Go, Oreo. Come on, Kylie. Go through the hoop. Go, Kylie. Oh, Kylie is really on it. Look, she's letting me. Guys, do y'all think I should take her out?
Yes. Yes. That's
No.
right. Yes.
That's right, Kylie. That's right. I don't agree either. Good job. Yay, Kylie. What do you want to say?
You can lift this one up too. Thank you.
What do you want to say, Kylie? Did you like that? Yes?
I love Kylie. That's my favorite bird.
I know. Oh, Oreo, now you want to talk? All right, how about you sing? All right, let's see.